This is gonna suck so bad. It is gonna suck. It's gonna taste terrible. That might actually be a good opener. Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. My name is Mike, and today I'm going to be doing something I was supposed to do like a couple months ago. But I wasn't really looking forward to it, for one, and two, I couldn't think of a creative way to get it done. So now I think I've got a creative way. Some of you guys are going to think I'm sort of maybe being weak with this, but it's all I could think of, and it's about as far as I'm willing to go. So the story goes like this. This little jar of Vegemite has made its way around a couple YouTube channels now. It started with my buddy Sandy at Just Piddlin'. It made it over to Greg at Ballistic Barbecue, another good friend of mine. Greg sent it to another friend of mine, Russ at Smoky Ribs. And Russ sent this to me back in probably, I don't know, well, I'm not going to put a month on it, but I'll just say a time frame around maybe say 2 months ago. And we had so many things going on here at home. I've been busy with all these life things, right? I just haven't had time to really sit and think about what I was going to do with this. The deal is that we all have to use some of this Vegemite in a recipe. The other guys did a great job with theirs. I'm going to be making something simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Nutella, I'm going to mix some Vegemite in it, probably about a teaspoon. I'm going to put that on my bread. We're going to make this a triple decker, soak both ends with this spray butter here, and we're going to melt it down out on the Blackstone, and then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to taste it. I'm probably not going to eat the whole thing. I'm probably just going to do one bite, but at least this video will be done and I can send it on to the next lucky victim. First things first, let's get some Nutella in this bowl. Let's add the Vegemite, see if we can hold our noses while we do it and get this mixed up. All right, we'll start with the stuff that actually smells good. Now that right there I could deal with. I don't know what the ratio is going to be here of Nutella to Vegemite, but I'm going to do a lot more Nutella than Vegemite, I'm just being honest. Alright, there's my Nutella. Now this gross stuff goes in. I don't even want to open this. Oh my god. This is awful. Oh my god. Just look at this. You can see where everybody else is dug in it and everything. I don't know. Who should I send this to? In the comments, you guys let me know who do you think we should send this to. Who the next lucky victim is going to be. So I have another teaspoon here. I'm going to go ahead and grab. Oh man. I'm telling you what, that just looks like sludge. Let me get that in there. And let's get this cap back on here ASAP. Alright, time to mix. Oh man, it's like getting thicker too with that stuff in there. Oh gosh. I'm not looking forward to this. So there we go. Time to get this on some bread. So what I have here are 2 pieces of Texas toast. This is going to be bottom and top, and we're making this a triple decker. So I did put a light toast on this centerpiece. This is just a regular piece of bread, not Texas toast. So this is going to be the one that goes in the middle to kind of make this double decker, triple decker, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, this stuff is sludgy, man, with that Vegemite. Woo! Alright, so there's that. There's our centerpiece. Now we'll get the rest of this on here. Alright, that should be good. Now we're going to crown this. So I've got my spray butter here. My next step is to get my griddle preheated. We're going to do this on the Blackstone. It's going to be a quick cook. I'm going to spray both sides of this sandwich with this spray butter and just get a quick melt going on both sides of toast, whatever. So let's get out there and do that. We'll just make this real quick. Come in here and see what this thing tastes like. Not looking forward to this. I'm so not looking forward to this. So you know how sometimes you smell something and you're like, yeah, you know, I don't know if I would want to eat that. Then you taste it and you're like, oh, it's not too bad. Well, this smells pretty bad. And the Nutella really didn't help this very much. I mean, I still smell that Vegemite smell coming through after I heated this sandwich up. But I promised I was going to do this. I'm delaying this. All right, here we go. And I went thick on it too. I mean, look at this. It's just caked in there. I'm not looking forward to this. Here we go. Russ, this is for you. Sandy, you started this. Remind me, I owe you one. Greg, you probably had nothing to do with this ending up here. He did send it to Russ. Russ sent it to me, whatever. But all right, here we go. I don't want to do this. Cheers. Wow, that stuff is strong, man. Can I have a water? Wait a minute. I'm gonna tell you what I think of this. Have you guys ever seen those like little jars of like beef base that you might make soup out of? Imagine one of those that just smells awful with that sort of a beefy, it's got the beefy flavor, but it tastes artificial and it's just really strong, only it's kind of worse than that. I don't know. I'm just glad I had some Nutella in here, because if not, I don't know if that would have stayed down. When I smelled it, it just, you know what? I kind of thought maybe I'd be able to handle it, and I did, but I wouldn't be able to do this without the Nutella mixed in. So this was probably a 2 or a 3-to-1 ratio of Nutella to, I mean, it might be more, I don't know. Whatever, you saw me mix it. Anyway, I have not picked the next lucky victim for this little jar of Vegemite here. So I want you guys down in the comments to let me know, who do you think I should send this to and why. I may not pick anyone that you guys put down there. It depends on how many I get, how many suggestions, and then of course I'll have to make sure it's okay with that person, just like Russ made sure it was okay with me. No big deal. I said, yeah, send it. And then I waited all this time to get it done. Sorry, Russ. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my displeasure. I did this for all the guys that did it before me and for all the viewers. So listen, till next time, take care. I will see you on the next episode.